5 seconds to go. Start. And we all know that when people see that those elected by them are working hard, keeping their point of view seriously in the House, then their trust in democracy also increases. It is also the responsibility of of us to expand this trust. Friends, with time, we need new ideas and new thinking. Therefore, as the people change, democracy also has to keep adding new dimensions. For these changes, we not only need new policies, but also need to reform old policies and old laws according to time. In the last few years, Parliament has repealed about 150 such laws. Due to these laws, the problems faced by the common man earlier and the obstacles in the progress of the country were resolved and a new confidence was instilled. Even at the state level, there are many such old laws which have been going on for years. Together, we need to pay attention to those too. Friends, for the world, the 21st century belongs to India. We have been constantly hearing this. We have been hearing this from the people around the world, but I would say that this century is the century of performing duties for India. We have to reach the golden goal of building a new India in this century in the next 25 years. Our duties will take us to these goals. Therefore, these 25 years are the years of walking on the path of duty for our country. This 25-year period is the period to dedicate oneself with a sense of duty. We need to place ourselves in the spirit of duty for us, for our society, and our country. We need to go beyond perfection in terms of our duties. Today, India is rapidly emerging as a global power and setting records on the global stage. The commitment and the sense of duty of the citizens of India is behind these achievements. In a democracy, our houses represent the sentiments of the people. Therefore, the consciousness of the countrymen should also be reflected in the conduct of our houses and public representatives. The way we conduct ourselves in the house and the emphasis we place on our duties within the house can ignite more enthusiasm and inspiration in our countrymen. Another important point, we should not consider our duties as separate from our rights. The more we work for our duties, the stronger our rights will be. Our commitment to duty is the guarantee of our rights. Therefore, all of us, the public representatives, have to reiterate our resolve to perform our duties. These resolutions will pave the way for the success of all of us and our society. Today, as we are moving ahead with the nation's resolutions of Azadi Ka Amrit Kal, we should not leave any stone unturned in terms of our duties and hard work. Our unity as a nation should be our priority. Our resolution should be to make life easier for the poorest of the poor and to ensure that Dalits, oppressed, exploited, deprived, tribal people, and everyone gets all the necessary facilities. Today, the goals for which the country is working, like homes for all, water for all, electricity for all, are the collective responsibility of all of us. The betterment of poor, downtrodden, backward, tribal people and women in a powerful and energetic state like Bihar is also helping Bihar to move forward and progress. And when Bihar progresses, India will also touch new heights of development and success, reiterating its golden past. I express my heartfelt gratitude to the state government, the speaker, and all the senior members for inviting me on this important historical occasion and giving me an opportunity to be a part of this historic moment. My best wishes to all. Let this 100-year journey become the center of new energy for the coming 100 years. With this one hope, thank you very much. Heartiest congratulations. Stop.